Okay, uh, for yesterday's trades, as you remember, I took two losses yesterday. This was during the New York session, two losses. But I got a win um, yesterday evening with AUDJPY. I traded that pair, and I want to show something else how strange trading can be. All right. So I made a few bucks yesterday to recoup the losses yesterday evening. All right. Okay. So after I took those two losses yesterday, I didn't trade on that account anymore. Two losses and I'm done for the day. So, sometimes you still have that urge to trade. So I trade. This is a demo account. This is a demo account. But if you look, these four trade, these actually, yeah, these trades right here. I think that, yeah, these trades right here I took yesterday. This was the last one I took yesterday evening. NZJPY trades back to back in profit, hit the take profit. And these trades I could have traded on the account what I lost and be in profit right now, but that's how it is sometimes. But these are the trades, these four right here I took yesterday after I took those losses. So like I say, trading is strange sometimes. These things happen. So hopefully today be a better day. And as again, what we always do, news. It's red news, major news at 10 a.m. So we won't be trading around that time. Actually, from 9:45 we won't be trading because yeah, right. So we got news today, U.S. news today. So anytime like after 10 minutes, 15 minutes after 10, we'll look for more trades. But we'll see what if there's something available now, and we'll see if we can get a trade before that time. So upon first glance, these are some of the pairs we'll be looking at today, so far, at least for this hour or so. Euro AUD sell, Euro CAD sell, Euro USD sell, GBP AUD sell, GBP CAD sell, gold buy, silver buy. There are a couple other things that I saw but didn't like, but I'm going to do a little bit more analysis on these few pairs and see which one I like the best out of them all. Okay, upon further analysis, I really like Euro AUD, Euro CAD, but you have to, and GBP CAD and gold. I like those a lot, but you have to be careful because some of them look a little bit extended. Some of them are near um, support areas. So you've got to wait for pullbacks and see what happens, if anything happens before the news. Okay, so I ended up taking the Euro AUD trade. I got a signal. Let's see what happens. Give it a little room. gonna let it hit this stop loss, but I just want to give it some room. Still monitoring this trade. Well, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Let it do its thing. I'll check back a little later on. I don't want to sit on the screen waiting. So we'll take a look later on and see what's happening. As you can see here, we had a pullback and it's 9:30 now. I might come out of this trade. I might come out of this trade because news is at 10 a.m. So I'll see how it goes. With whatever small loss or whatever profit, I might come out of the trade. But we'll see how it goes. What can I say? Stepped away from the computer 2 minutes and it hit that stop loss. It's okay. I'm out of trade. No more trades until after 10, after the news. Yeah. Okay, guys, just a quick update. I left the trade open on the Euro AUD. This is the demo account. I left the trade open, but I closed it when it was like $1,500 in profit. But I took another trade, NZD USD, 830 demo money, but it's 830 for that one. That's all I did today. And as far as the other account, well, I could trade because it has a little consolidation here. It could go down some more to where my stop loss was, but I'm good with the profit I made from that. I almost made back all of the money that I lost this morning. So it's been up and down. So we can see here. Not gold. Where is it? Okay. Euro CAD, Euro AUD. I lost the 38.95, and I entered a sell position on Euro CAD. Then I made back 35.18. So not too bad from my original amount. So I just got to work towards this week to get that money back, and hopefully by the end of the week I'll be in some profit. Now, if you recall, EuroCAD was one of the pairs that I mentioned this morning that I was looking at, and actually I should have taken that trade instead of the Euro AUD, because this is the New York session. The Canadian dollar moves in the New York session, so I should have taken that trade earlier. But we make mistakes. I'm not perfect at this. Still trying to get more profitable, but you have to think sometimes. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. That's trading. But let's carry on. It's a little after 12 now. I might look at, there may be some scalps in the afternoon, there may be I'll see. If not, I'll wait until the Asian session and see if anything is happening in there. Maybe lightning will strike twice. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, as usual in trading. But we'll see how things go. If I do trade anymore for the day, I'll make a quick update. This is all gonna be compiled into one video because, like I said, I'm not gonna do too much editing on this.